1 minute I'm in the shop, I'm working on trucks and doing things, and the next minute I'm in the hospital. Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. I'm Brian Eslick and I got some crazy stories and updates for you guys, so come with me. Alright, so the last couple of months it's been crazy. 1 minute I'm in the shop, I'm working on trucks and doing things and filming videos. As you can see, I got tools everywhere. And the next minute I'm in the hospital. I've been out of work for about 6 weeks now, and I'm probably going to be out of work for another 6 to 7 weeks. So I've been having some health issues. What is going on is I had radiation on my neck about 13 years ago from cancer treatment, and because of that, it's caused my fibrous material and my carotid arteries to plug up with plaque. And so my left side here, carotid artery was 95% blocked, almost 100% blocked, and my right side here was almost 50, or it's like 45% blocked. So I was having some blood pressure regulation issues. So I didn't even know about it until they put me on medication. They put me on medication, and then when I would stand up, my blood pressure would drop, 40, 50 points. So if it was already high and I stand up, I never noticed it until they put me on medication. So they put me on medication and brought my blood pressure levels down to normal levels, and then when I would stand up, it would drop down to like 72 or 63 over like 34, and I would pass out. So I had a couple pass outs and nearly cracked my skull. Luckily my beautiful fiance captured me, caught me, and prevented me from, cracking my skull. So anyway, she got me in the hospital. She got me to the hospital, and they found out that my arteries were plugged, and so then I had to do a surgery. So if you see right here, I had a stents put in my arteries. They would have normally, what they would have done, it was cut the arteries open and like rotor them out, sewed them, and patched them back up. But because I have scar tissue and fibrous tissue from the radiation treatment, they decided to put a stent in there, and they still have some complications of that scar tissue and stuff. Anyways, they got it done, and I'm still having high blood pressure, but I'm no longer having the 50-point drop in blood pressure. I'm having like 5 or 10-point drop, and it's manageable, and I'm on like a shit ton of medication. It's crazy, but I wanted to give you guys an update. So my daughter and I are still doing autocross. I also took the time to design some new t-shirts and sweaters. I'm testing them out for quality. If they're good, I'll order a big batch. I got tons of tool reviews going on. That's what I'm doing here in the shop today, is I'm getting this all cleaned back up. I'm just cruising, taking my time, not lifting anything heavy or anything, just kind of just putting tools away and starting getting organized. I'm getting prepared for when I come back. I'm going to come back really hard, a lot of videos, a lot of content. The first thing I'm doing is I'm heading out to SEMA at the end of the month here, so I should be good to go, cleared to walk and stuff like that. So I'll be at SEMA, and I'll be there making content, doing tool reviews, interviewing people, checking out some cool cars, that type of stuff. And I'm excited for that. And then after that, we got some videos, some sponsored videos coming up where I'm working with some companies. So the videos are going to get even better and better over the next couple of weeks and months, and I'm excited about that. So right now, I'm just going to clean up the shop and get it ready and get ready for that. I'm excited to share that content with you guys. And thank you guys so much for all the subscribers and followers and all the messages that you guys left me over the last couple of weeks. I've on my Instagram and Facebook, I've let people know that I'm having some health problems, and the people over there following me has left amazing comments and stuff, and I really appreciate it, and it's really helped me out. So now I'm going to get back to it. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, and be on the lookout for those videos. Thank you.